Thanks.
You're welcome. Hey guys, so I just put on my parka and my snow boots and we're gonna go outside because it's freaking gorgeous. Oh. Look at the pool. It's completely covered in snow. Well, looks like we got the stash out here, Mom and Dad. Huh. Like, I can't even believe it. It's so snowy. So we're in the garage. We're going outside. Oh my God.
You know just what to say. Things that scare me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet the more that I know you.
Normally this is all full of green stuff, and it's just not. Hopefully I don't slip down these. Guys, there's deer right there. See it? Hopping away. How cute are these mini pine trees?
Every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine.
So every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine.
All right, we're going inside now. My mom's booking my eyelash appointment.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
What'd she say, Mom?
See you at 9 in the morning on Saturday.
Hey, let's go. So we're going to see La La Land tonight, and my mom asked if we could go to an earlier time because last night we went to see Collateral Beauty, didn't we, Mom?
We did. Well, we kind of saw it.
She made me go to this movie with her, which was great, fabulous, by the way, movie.
Will Smith.
But Mom, tell us about the movie.
Don't ask.
Because she fell asleep in it, and she's the one who dragged us all along. So Sarah and Megan, if you're watching this, she fell asleep. I'm glad you two enjoyed it. I did too. It was a really good movie. I highly recommend.
Have to wait for Netflix.
SMH.
Tonight's La La Land, though.
What time do you want to see it? Like 4?
No. I think I can do 7.
Oh.
So, I went to Mac Experience. They didn't have enough time to fix my computer because I have to edit it tonight, so I didn't want to leave it there overnight, so they're going to do it tomorrow morning. And then I went to Best Buy because I was looking at drones, and I think I may go get one tomorrow, but we'll see. It just depends. So yeah, and now we're gonna go see La La Land. Yesterday I saw Collateral Beauty and it was so good, but like I said, my mom fell asleep. So hopefully she doesn't fall asleep for this one. Right, Mom?
Right.
I got us Chipotle. It was really good.
Hi, Lexi. Hi, Lex. What you doing? Why is she sitting on the pillow like that?
Why not?
It's really cute. Do you want me to do a cinematic sequence of this?
Yeah.
Okay.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark cold.
When your dog actually doesn't like you. She wants to get away from you, Philip. And we're at the movie theater. So I bought a new hard drive and we're gonna open it. Thunderbolt drive. These are way better than regular USBs because they're much faster. And this is a G-Raid. And this is the Lacey. This one's Thunderbolt too, but I use this one for school, this one for personal stuff.
Bust it.